Welcome to part 2 of our series, and now we will discuss the echo command. So first let us see, we still have the tutorial folder, so cd tutorial, Control L, and we'll start with the echo command. If you want to know any command in Linux, what does it do, or a program, what does it do, you have to go to the manual page or the man page. On the right side you will see I have already put man echo. If you want to know what echo has and what are the features that it will provide, you just put man echo and you enter, and it will give you all the information. Echo displays a line of text. Before we discussed about ls or the list command. If I have ls, it will give me all the parameters. If you notice ls minus a, it gives everything, all, and we'll use maybe also ls minus l later on, but for now this is the man command. So echo, if I want to echo, let's say welcome, it will print this one to the screen. You can print to the screen or you can print to another file. Now we will focus on the screen and we'll get all the options that echo can do. If I put echo home, give me the home directory, it will give me the home directory. To note that the $sign allows echo to give the result of a command. Let's say I want to, if I have list, tutorial doesn't have anything. Let's say I want to go up a little bit and list. These are the commands. If I want to get all of them echoed, what I will do is echo $ls. So now it echoes everything. These files are echoed into the console. You can echo it to any folder or any file that you want. We'll continue. Echo $user. These are built-in parameters that are available in Linux. So you will have $user, $home. They are already available, and you can create also your own environmental variables that you want. We can do also echo welcome user. So what does this do is that it will take the text welcome. Since it is inside the double quotes, it will print for me welcome user. If I want the dollar to be included and not execute anything, what I can do is welcome, I will use this single quote, welcome user. So now it puts welcome user. It does not evaluate. To echo a command into a file, what I will do is, first I'm in the home directory. Let me go to the tutorial directory because it will create the file in the home user directory. You need to direct into the directory that you want. So first you say echo hello, and you press the greater than and you name the file that you want. If it is not available, it will create it .dwm rc. Now it has created the file. In order to ls, okay, ls minus a, because it is a hidden file, it is available .dwm rc. So now if I want to access this file or print the file, I use the command cat. So I use cat.dw tab. Okay, it has hello built in it. If I want to change this file, or make some changes to the file, I use a text editor. What is the text editor that's available in the terminal? It is nano. So I use nano.dw mrc. So now this file has hello. I can add hi. Okay, if you notice down, there is the exit of course, when you exit, Control X, it tells you, do you want to save? I say yes. It is saved. Now if I say cat, I want to show you something. If you use the up arrow, it will give the previous commands. If you keep pressing the arrow, it will give another arrow. It will go back the previous commands. So it's very easier than to enter everything again. So I pressed now enter 2 times, up arrow 2 times. I get this one. So now .dwmrc has two lines. Let us discuss another thing. We will talk about also the sequence command. The sequence command, let's say I have sequence 1-5. What does this do? It is like echoing the number from 1 to 5. Very, very straightforward. If I say sequence -10 to 30, okay, so it says it starts from -10 and directly to 30. Let me clear screen here. If I want to get this output and put it inside this DWMRC, what do? I say sequence, let's say 1 to 10, put them here. I have to be very careful. If you use this one, look what happens. .dwmrc. It has put this from 1 to 10. It has put it in the file, but it replaces all the contents. So if you want to replace all the contents, you use a single greater than. If you want to append, you use the double greater than. Let us see what happens. If I cat.dwmrc, it has now only 110. The hello hi has been removed. If I want to add hello hi but in the end, what I will do is I will say echo hello $DWMRC. So now I appended this hello to the file. If I put the up arrow 2 times, it will get the other command, and now I have 1 to 10 and the hello. What is so good about this command? Let me continue with the sequence. I can increment, let's say 1 to 10. What does this mean? It means put for me from 1 to 10 but at increment of 2. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. How did I get that? I did not remember that in the middle is the increment. Maybe you forget that, let's say the increment should be in the middle, the 2 in the middle. So what you do is the same here. You go manual sequence, and if you notice here, the sequence says you have to put first, then the increment, then the last. Okay. So now we go to the advantage that this sequence command can have over the file manager. As an example, let's say I have sequence 1 to 5 million. 5 million. So I have around 5 million lines. 5 million lines. I want to put them in the .dwmrc. Replace everything in DWMRC because it has single one, and print for me 5 million lines. So let us press enter. Boom, finished. Now I have a file .dwmrc with 5 million lines. Let me cat it and check. Cat.dwmrc. These are all the files. 5 million lines. I have created 5 million lines. Tell that to Microsoft Excel to get you 5 million lines in just 4 seconds, or maybe less. Let me press Ctrl C to stop. it will continue, maybe it will finish earlier. So now let me append to this 5 million line, let me add hello, hi. These are very important to append lines. Sometimes you have a log file of millions and millions of lines and you want to append something, and later on you want to check only the last line. So what do we do? So first let me append, let's say last line. I echoed last line. Of course I have to put the double. The single one, it will change everything. .dw mrc, enter. So now we have 5 million lines and one line which is at the end. To access the last line, there is a command. Instead of opening it in Nano and checking the last line or catting everything and waiting till the 5 million line, if I want just to check the last line, what do? There is a very simple command called tail. There is a head and there is a tail. So if I say tail dot w dot dw mrc, it will give me the last. By default it gives the last 10 lines. So instead of opening this file, what I have done is I have got the last 10 lines of this file. If I wanted the last line only, you can go in the manual and check it, but you can say tail -1, only the last line of dw mrc. Okay, so we printed only the last line. Okay, let's continue. The last command that we will talk about is wc. wc give me the word count and the words and how many megabyte is a file. So if I use wc on our file that we have created, it will tell me that it has 5,000,001 new lines, 5,000,002 words, and the other one is in bytes. It will be around 38 megabyte, 38 mega 888 K 906 bytes, and that's it.